Cash flow positive. That's right, I have a brand new Airbnb ready listing that's already generating income. It's an opportunity that you do not want to miss out on. It's convenience at your doorstep, right by Mount Pleasant, right off of downtown Vancouver. You got SkyTrain station, popular shops, restaurant, the iconic Science World, Olympic Village, and Falls Creek within steps away. My name is Ann Pham. This is 2nd and Main. Come on in, let me give you a tour. Welcome home to your bright and well-designed space with air conditioning for your ultimate comfort. I'm standing here in the beautiful modern kitchen. You got a premium appliance package with 4-burner cooktop, stainless steel microwave and oven, and all this ample cabinetry. I love that the dishwasher and fridge are fully integrated into this modern custom-made European cabinetries. You also have your dryer and washer tucked away in this area for added convenience. You got polished quartz that's brought all the way to the backsplash and under cabinet lighting for the perfect ambience. This kitchen has everything you need to create any delicious meal that your mind can drum up. This open floor plan connects you seamlessly into your living room area. You got wide plank flooring as well as this expansive window to let in all this natural light fill up the space. You also have your own private balcony to enjoy that morning cup of tea or coffee and take in that city view. Outside of your home, 2nd and Main offers 1 parking for your unit as well as access to the well-equipped gym and this beautiful rooftop patio. It's got communal gardens, multiple barbecuing area, and this fire pit lounge, perfect for your family and friends to gather around this summer. Do not miss out on this opportunity. You're not only buying into a home, but a lifestyle. You got famous restaurants such as Tap and Barrel and Phnom Penh that all within walking distance. You're also within catchments to best schools such as Kitsilano or Eric Hamber Secondary. And SkyTrains, trains, bus stop stations are all nearby and easily accessible. And not only that, you're right by downtown and some of the famous spots that people who travel all around the world come to visit, such as our beautiful seawall, Stanley Park, Granville Island, and the Science World. My name is Ann Pham. I'm with the Mai Real Estate Group. Book your tour today.